Hey guys, it's the Diamond Sisters. It's me, Sabrina, and today I'll be showing you my slime collection update number 1. So let's get started. The first one we have is this one. As you can see, it's a red slime, but it's more like putty. This is sponsored by Dorothy. Let's fill it. Okay. It's very, very stretchy. This is just a bit. Ah, I dropped it. Okay. Just gonna take this. Let's look in there. Bloop, 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 bloop. Yes, okay. Let's look at this. It doesn't stick on this wallet. So this is just red. My very first one. Let's keep that back. And its container. Next is this one. Just a white one, but it's not clear, so yeah. I wish it would be clear, like real transparent slime. This was a normal white. You can learn how to make this slime using correction tape. So it's the correction tape pen. I tried it before, but yeah, I do not have correction tape pen. So it was a fail. There it is. This is white. Let's keep that in a container. These are all the same brand, but I don't know why it's in orange and it's white, but yeah. Next one, let's put this away. This one is purple because it says purple. Yeah, this is clear. I love purple. It's my favorite color. My other favorite color is pink, so yeah, it's a girl's color. Ooh, I love this. Look at that. Okay, look at that. It's kind of blur actually. I don't know why, but it's really, really cool to play with. And it's more like a little putty. I think I can make fart noises. I'm not sure. Oh, I'm not sure if you can hear that, but yeah. Oh no, it turned all purple. Okay, let's zoom photocopy. Gotta do this. Okay. There it is. See bubbles a bit. Ugh. Yuck. Fart. It's fart slime. I didn't know that. Okay, done. Okay, that's the purple. And now my last slime is this orange one, but I don't know why it's in a green container. This is orange. It's like gold. It doesn't really look gold to the camera. It does, but in real life it looks orange and a bit kind of gold. So it looks just like, I don't know, I think it looks really cool. Okay, let's make fart noises with this one. Use my left hand. That's cool. Okay, so that's the final one, and that's all my collection. I don't think this is the correct container. I think this one, this orange container from the white one, is for the orange. So I'm gonna take out some. No, that looks cool. This one looks green. Never mind. Next time I can buy a green one and see if it has a white cover, so then I can explain. That's all for now. I'm gonna show you one by one. So there's the white one, orange one. Okay, focus. Okay. The purple one and the red one. Okay, so that's all. Bye guys.